Welcome, OChem 8C students. So today we're going to go over the first worksheet of this week's worksheet, so Monday's worksheet. And it's just going over Gabriel Synthesis and Reductive Amination. So over here in the corner, I wrote what the overview of Gabriel Amine synthesis is, just to give you guys an idea. So before we get started, make sure you sign into the description box. Also, disclaimer, there are multiple ways to get different answers for these problems just because they're retrosynthesis. And for number 3, it's finding a reagent that will give us this product. So there are multiple ways, and this is just like one of the many answers that you may get. So let's get started. So for the first one, I'm just going to use this reactant because I know if I use this reactant in conjunction with this reagent, I know it's going to perform an SN2 reaction, kicking off the Cl, and I will form this product right here. And also, like with hydrolysis, I'll get this right here as my byproduct, plus the primary amine that's right here. Okay, for the second one, we're going to be doing Gabriel synthesis and reductive amination. So I'm just going to do the Gabriel synthesis first. So for this one, I am going to get a reactant that looks something like this. So all I did was attach this group right here to this nitrogen, and as long as there's a hydrogen here, the synthesis can occur. And that's all I'm doing. So this methyl right here is this one right here. Okay, so now let's do the reductive amination part. So reductive amination, I'm going to reduce, right? So I'm just going to assume, I'm just going to assume that I had a carbonyl there, and NH3, which is going to act as a nucleophile and attack this carbon right here, attaching this NH2, and then NABH4 would reduce that ketone. There are other reagents that Dr. Larsen uses. This is just one that I just thought of right now. So keep that in mind too. There are other reducing agents that you could use. Okay, and so for the last one, I'm just gonna do a trial and see if I do get this product right here. So let's say I use an acyl chloride. I have the nitrogen and NH2 acting as my nucleophile. It'll attack here, bringing this up, and so I would get something that looks like this. And I'll have a positive charge here. When these electrons come down, that'll kick out the Cl. And I get something like that, but I also have Cl in solution, so this is still an intermediate since we have charges. It'll grab one of these hydrogens, kicking lone pairs to nitrogen, and that'll leave me with that product. So that's just something, actually, no, because I would still have the carbonyl. So I'm not done, actually. I'm just going to use LiLH4, and that'll get rid of this carbonyl there. And then I would get that product. So just try it out for your own. If you got a different answer, that's fine too. There are different ways you could do this. So keep that in mind. These are just some ways that I thought of from the top of my head. Yeah, so hopefully that helped. And also don't forget to sign into the description box if you haven't. Okay, thank you.